Hello, this is Tony the Toaster here, and I wanted to get on with my training for Adtracks Gold. But before I do, I wanted to mention something that I forgot to mention in the previous video, and that is Adtracks Gold is a one-time fee. Now they do have a version that's their hosted version, which is hosted on the cloud, and that you pay a monthly fee for. And I'm not sure why they have that when you can purchase you can purchase the script and have it installed on your own website domain, and they do it for you. So it's really easy because you don't have to worry about doing it. They do it for you, and then it's on your domain, and you can use it that way. They also have a WordPress plugin, which if you run your website on WordPress, it's also good to install the plugin, and then you can do everything right from your WordPress dashboard. So, I mean, that's also possible. But the thing is, one of the things I look for in software is whether it's a monthly fee or whether it's a one-time fee. And I really don't like the monthly fees, because you buy this software for a monthly fee, then you buy that software for a monthly fee, and by the time you're done, it can really add up. So some things are necessary, like hosting and things like that, but I try not to buy too much on a monthly fee if it isn't necessary. So with Adtracks Gold, it's not necessary. You can buy it for a one-time fee, and then you have it and you can use it forever. So that's what's good about it. So I wanted to let you know about that, and that's another reason why it's a good tracking and cloaking software. So that being said, let's get to the training. Okay, I'm back here and I got my screen up, and this is the login screen for Adtracks Gold. And before I actually log in, I want to mention something to you about this software. This software is actually installed on your domain. It is a script that is installed on your domain. And when you purchase this, you can install the script yourself, and they give you instructions, but they'll also install it for you for free. And I've had them do that actually twice, because I got a new computer and they had to reinstall it on my new computer, and I just had them do it, and it's very, very simple to do, especially when you let them do it. So I'd highly recommend that they do that. And what this does is, because it's installed on your domain, this is why your cloak links will have your domain as the first part of that link. So for me, my domain is iamwiththetoaster.com. My links always start out with iamthetoaster.com / whatever I choose after that. So it makes it highly relevant to what they're clicking. So this is a really good thing as to why you should be using this. Now, a lot of the other link cloakers are cloud-based, and I don't know really how they work, except I'm pretty sure that they don't start with your domain, because they're not cloud-based. They'll start with some other domain, whatever domain that's hosting that software is usually how they start. So anyway, this is another reason why I'd recommend Adtracks Gold. So anyway, let me log in here. And once you log in, you'll see this screen. This screen is the home screen. And you can see that there's campaign management here. There's conversion tracking. Here's where you cloak your links. Here's where you create split tests. You look at your statistics here, and support, and I don't even know what that is. System settings. I don't really use that. Now, there's a lot of features that this software does that I don't really use. So let's just look at campaign management, and let's just look at some of the campaigns that I have set up already. So this is a list of all my campaigns, and a lot of these, my campaigns start with the name of the affiliate product and then where the link is. So for instance, let's look at this campaign here. It's AC 2017. That's the link for Cam Jennings Affiliate Command 2017. That's the product, and after that is identifying where the link was put, because what I do is I track every single link that I put out there, so I know how many clicks each one is getting. If you just create a link for one product, say Affiliate Command 2017, and then you just put that link everywhere, sure, you'll get an idea of how many people are clicking that link, and then you can look on the affiliate network to find out how many sales you're making. You're not going to know which links that you're putting out are generating the sales that you need. And that's really what you need. You need to be able to know if the link in your blog is generated 2 sales and the link that you put out on your Facebook post has generated 20 sales, then you know the Facebook post has generated more sales. So you really need to know that, and really need the statistics in order to run your business and in order for you to make smart decisions. So anyway, as you can see, Affiliate Command 2017, if you can read this, this is from the Facebook post. This is from one of my lists. This is another one of my lists, another one of my lists, and it goes down. Each list that I sent this promotion to got its own separate link. So that's what you need to be doing, because that's how you're going to be analyzing your statistics to find out whether certain links are performing for you or whether certain links aren't. So let's set up a test campaign here. So I'm going to add a single campaign. Click here. Okay, so now a lot of these fields I don't use. The ad code, this is what you just saw in my campaign tracking. This is how you're gonna name each campaign, and you're going to, it's for your own records. It doesn't show up anywhere else, just for your own records when you're looking at your statistics in this program actually. So we're just gonna call this test product. So that's the product it is, and then we are going to underline, and then we're going to put where this link is going. So let's just call it Facebook post. So that's what we're going to do. So this is test product, underline Facebook post. For some reason this won't accept dashes, just underlines. So that's my product, and that's where it's going to be, that's where the link is going to be. You can put a password on this campaign, but I don't ever use that. And then the target URL. This is the URL that you're going to get from your affiliate networks. Let's just say JVZoo has given us it, so it's going to be jvzoo.com/1234, whatever that is. So that's where people are going to go when they click this link. So anyway, and then you can create different groups. Like I have groups for my affiliate products. I have a group for my own products. I have different links for opt-in page 1, opt-in page 2, or whatever. So they're all different ones. And here's all my different groups that I have set up. And you can sort your statistics based on that, and that's why they have groups. So now the tracking purpose, you can track only clicks, you can track clicks and actions, you can track clicks and sales. Like if somebody clicks on a link and then signs up for your web form, that's what that would be for. If someone clicks on a link and then buys something, that's what that would be for. But I can tell you I don't use that very often, because you can track your sales in affiliate networks. So I don't usually track my sales using this, but you could. So anyway, the rest of them I don't even use. And I can tell you that all these other settings I do not use. So I can't tell you what these are for. They're not really necessary for me, so I don't really use them. Now we just click Add Campaign. And now Alert. So now the campaign has been created, and here's your affiliate link. Now, as you can see, the link that the software gives you is iamwiththetonester.com, which is my domain. But then it says trackgo.php ? And then all this other stuff. So I don't want my affiliate link to look like that. And I don't want my affiliate link to look like the one that JVZoo gave me either. So what I'm going to do is, next I'm going to go and I'm going to cloak this link. So I'm going to do cloaking, add new cloak. Then I'm going to choose which campaign. I forgot which one I just created. It's test. Yes, it's test. Test product Facebook post. That's the campaign I'm gonna cloak the link for. Select split test. This is if you're doing a split test. you'll be able to set that up. You'll be able to follow instructions to do that. I'm not doing that in this training. I'm not also doing a sub campaign. I don't ever use those. So the only other two fields I use is the file name and the folder name. Now what's going to happen is you can name the folder. What the software is doing, it's creating redirect files. So what's going to happen is when someone clicks the link that you give them, it's going to redirect them to the other link, the target link that you put in the first screen. So they're going to click a link that they're going to see, and then it's going to redirect to the actual sales page, which is the link that JVZoo gave you, for instance. So anyway, the folder can be any name whatsoever. Every time it creates a redirect file, a cloaked link, it puts it in this folder. So I would not call it redirects. I would just call it cloaked. I would just call it, my folder is called ref. That's all it is. You can name it whatever you want. The file name is what's going to come after the ref in the URL. And now here's where you should do something that's going to be relevant to what they're clicking. For instance, if you're promoting a product that's about YouTube and about getting more traffic to YouTube, what I would do when I do my cloak link is I would do the file name here, YouTube traffic. Or if it's called, even if I'm promoting affiliate command 2017, maybe I would put affiliate command. Since this test product is called test product, I'm just going to call it test product. So what's going to happen is, and that's all I use, these other settings here, I don't use them. You can read about them. That's not the purpose of this training. The purpose of this training is just how to show you how to cloak links, cloak the campaign, and it's done. So here's the URL of that product cloaked. It's iamwithattonester.com/ref/testproduct.html. When this is the link you're going to put out in all your promotions. When someone clicks on this link, they're going to be redirected to jvzoo.com/1234, whatever that affiliate link was that I put in the first screen. So they're going to click this link and they're going to be redirected to that link, and that's how you're going to get your commissions. So this is very easy to use. It's easy to use. You just create your campaign, and then you go into the cloaking, you select that campaign, and then you name your cloaks and create it, and it's done. Now let me just show you a little bit more about what this program does. Statistics. We're going to just look at a little bit of my statistics here. Statistic overview. And I'm going to select the dates of 2016 just to give you a lot of data to look at. Okay, now why didn't it come up? Let me try detailed statistics. Maybe that's what it is. I'm not sure why this isn't coming up because, hang on a minute. So here's the statistics for one campaign actually. Clicks 55, 48 raw or 55 raw clicks. You can see the visitors, and it shows you these graphs, and it gives you a good idea of your now this promotion happened in January, February of whatever year that was. I think it was last year. So anyway, that's one of the statistics, but I'm not sure why the detailed statistics did not come up. Not detailed statistics, the statistic overview, because I want to look at all of my campaigns all at the same time. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I'm going to pause this and call up this report because I'm not sure why this is not creating the report. Hang on one second. Okay, now I know why it didn't come up with a report. It was actually taking a while to run the report. So anyway, the report is here, and a lot of these are zeros because I don't use a lot of these fields. I don't really want to know that. The only thing I really want to know out of this program for now is how many clicks I'm getting and if there's any kind of actions or sales with them. And so a lot of these were just clicks because these were not sales. These were just opt-in, trying to get opt-ins on my opt-in page. So you can see the different statistics here, raw clicks, unique clicks, and that's really what I'm tracking here. So the two purposes for this program in my book are to track your clicks and to cloak your links. Those are the two most important things, and that's really the only thing I use this for. If you talk to other people, they may use it in other ways, but I just use it for this. So you can see the different campaigns that I've had and how many clicks they've gotten and that type of thing. So that's basically it. Let's see, split testing, I'm not going to go into that. Conversion tracking, I'm not going to go into that as well. That's conversion tracking is when you want to track sales. So I don't really do that there. Like I said, affiliate networks, ClickBank tracks your sales, and they can also track where they came from as far as what your links are. So sometimes you don't really need to track even your clicks in here and how they relate to sales because your affiliate network, ClickBank does that, I know Warrior Plus does that. But the thing is, they don't cloak your links. So this is why I need this program. So anyway, I'd highly suggest that you look into this program. I think you can use it and it will benefit you. And if you're not cloaking your links now as an affiliate, you absolutely, without a doubt, need to do that. So by all means, check out Adtracks Gold. I'll have the link at the bottom of the video. And that's all I got for now. And I'll see you in the next video.